for another story, and this one helps prepare all sensory learners about going on holiday. As always, the book starts with what is a sensory story and how to tell a sensory story, as well as the sensory menu for ideas on actions and resources to add to the story. The suitcase feels heavy as I pack it with swimsuits and sun hats. Going to get a strap. This is a core-board strap, or a handbag strap, works perfectly. And you offer the learner part of it and then you pull the rest. So we've got a bit of a tug of war going on. The suitcase feels heavy as I pack it with swimsuits and sun hats. They can feel that resistance of a heavy bag. The taxi hums softly as I get inside, excitement bubbling. For this, you need something that vibrates. A cushion is perfect. The taxi hums softly as I get inside, excitement bubbling. For excitement bubbling, you could also use some bubbles. The aeroplane engines roar as I take off, soaring into the sky. And for this one, we wiggle our learners in the chair as much as they can tolerate. It's often really fun. The aeroplane engines roar as I take off, soaring into the sky. The hotel staff greet me warmly, guiding me to my room. I've got a hand warmer for this one. These are great, they're microwavable, and so in 30 seconds they're nice and warm. The hotel staff greet me warmly, guiding me to my room. The smooth wooden boardwalk leads me towards the golden shore. Now, if your learners are in chairs, this one works really well. You can place ropes down on the floor in lines like this. And then you can wheel their chair over them to replicate the boardwalk bumps. Alternatively, you can bang their feet on the drum. This replicates the sound of the bumps of the boardwalk. The beach sand is warm beneath my feet. I've got a bag full of sand here which I'll pour into a tray, and we can step our toes into the tray to feel the sand with our feet. The beach sand is warm beneath my feet. The sound of the waves crashing fills the air. And I've got the sounds of the sea on a sound button. The sound of the waves crashing fills the air. The ice cream is cold and sweet, melting as I taste it. Now, of course, you could have vanilla ice cream, but if your learners aren't allowed to have vanilla ice cream, I've also got some vanilla scent. And this vanilla scent on cotton wool inside a sealed spice jar, so it's nice and safe. And you can still enjoy that lovely ice cream smell. The sun sets in brilliant colours as I breathe in the salty air. The sun sets in brilliant colours as I breathe in the salty air. As the holiday ends, I feel happy and relaxed, ready to go home. I've got a bunch of keys here. As the holiday ends, I feel happy and relaxed, ready to go home. Story has finished. So often our PMLD learners and adults with profound multiple learning disabilities don't often get to go on holiday like this. They don't get to go into hotels, on planes, in taxis, on a boardwalk even. So by offering the experience through sensory stories, they still get to experience that and understand that and know its meaning. If you would like this story or one like it as part of my sensory curriculum collection, and then head to the link in the description to get your own copy, or head to my Amazon bookshop.